Guess who? So, Universal Orlando Resort announced Woody Woodpecker's KidZone is now officially closed. I can't believe they. My KidZone was closed down for good because of the new differences for Universal theme parks and resorts. For Universal Orlando Resort, I can't believe it's been 24 years since Woody Woodpecker's Kids Zone was opened. But that's from a long time ago. But all the Woody Woodpecker fans will miss the Woody Woodpecker's Kids Zone. But it will be forever on everyone's hearts. So let me know in the comments, and this is Woody Woodpecker signing off. And thank you for spending 24 years of Woody Woodpecker's Kids Zone. And we're so close to celebrate the 25th anniversary till next year, or other stuff like that. So once again, this is Woody Woodpecker signing off, and thank you for enjoying Woody Woodpecker's Kids Zone for the final time. See ya.